Carefully remove the dust cover from the machine. This will give you access to all the components you need to maintain. Let's focus on the front side of the machine. For this part of the maintenance, we will clean the cap top area and the wiper blade. Power on the printer and allow it to complete its self-check. After initialization is complete, the screen will display "Printer is ready." First, lower the print bed before working. Then, switch off the machine. Once powered down, carefully move the printhead manually across without damaging it. You will need 2 cotton swabs and a lint-free cloth. Place the lint-free cloth directly under the printhead to catch any ink or waste. Use 1 cotton swab to clean the wiper blade. Press and hold the button to release it, then gently wipe the backside of the blade with the swab. Next, wipe the front side of the blade. And finally, wipe the backside one more time. Then release the button so the blade returns safely without touching the printhead. Next, use the lint-free cloth to clean the cap top area. Place your index finger as shown and wipe along the edges. Then fold the cloth and gently wipe the center. Moving back to the printhead, use the second cotton swab to clean the outer areas alongside it, without touching the printhead itself. Gently wipe underneath on all 4 corners as shown. For the final step, fold the lint-free cloth twice. Wrap it over your index finger and gently wipe the center of the printhead from back to front only, applying minimal pressure. 1 wipe is enough, but you can repeat if needed. Do not ever wipe left to right or right to left. When finished, remove the cloth from under the printhead. Carefully push the printhead back into position until it clicks. Keep the machine powered off. We're almost done. For the final step, we're going to fill the UV lamp cooling liquid, which is located on the right side of the machine. First, use a 2.5mm Allen key to remove the panel by unscrewing only the 8 screws shown in the video. This will give you access to the UV lamp area. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the liquid container. For this step, you'll need a syringe filled with antifreeze and a flathead screwdriver. If you are using one of the latest ArtisJet models, this step is not necessary, as these machines have a built-in cooling system. Inject the antifreeze into the container, making sure it is always filled halfway. Once you're finished, screw the panel back into place using the same screws and securely close the panel. You are now ready to power the machine back on. It will go through its initialization process, and once complete, you can begin printing. When running full production, it's important to perform a cleaning every 2 hours to maintain optimal print quality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.